Man, do I have a really cool car for you guys today. This is probably one of the nicest restored 1964 Malibus you're gonna find. It's done in a beautiful dark blue metallic. Make sure you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. You have to check out the undercarriage of this one. I'll tell you what, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's all painted body color underneath. Somebody went to some very, very high expense on restoring this Malibu. Now, we got the original wheels, like new tires, and white walls and hubcaps on this. When it came in, we chose to put the brand new American Racing Torq Thrust wheels, brand new BFG raised wet leather tires, just to give it a little more modern look.
Wow, how pretty underneath the hood.
Isn't that sick? I was kind of mentioning earlier, it's just absolutely ridiculous how much money someone spent on this, and I'll tell you why they did it, Brady. This car was purchased by the previous owner in 1969. They bought it for $1,100. By then it was, you know, just 5 years old.
Yeah.
Okay? So it's got super, just well taken care of. Check the mileage on this one, will you, quick?
It is reading 70,000. Yep.
Yep. And that's exactly what it has on it today, and that's the original miles. It's got a huge, just a big, thick packet of receipts with it. It's got the original bill of sale, not the original bill of sale, but the one when he bought it. He's the second owner. He bought it in 1969 for his wife. And so that's why someone went to this expense, Brady, and spent all this money doing a frame-off rotisserie restoration on it, because it was something he was never going to sell.
Yeah, if somebody's looking for this body style of Chevelle, this is the way to go. I love the gloss paint underneath the hood.
Isn't it gorgeous? And like I said, the bottom of the car is all painted beautiful dark blue. There's your original paint colors. Bottom of the hood is excellent. It does have power steering. Other than that, it's pretty bare bones. Just a 283 two-barrel. Still runs awesome, and it's got the 3 on the tree with power steering.
Just a beautiful car.
If you want a show car, probably one of the nicest Malibus out there at any car show you go to, I'm gonna say this one could be the one.
And don't sleep on that dark blue. This car in person looks so much better. I'd take this over a red one any day.
Isn't it gorgeous? Huh? Now, a lot of the restoration was done between 2004 and 2008, I think, is what I seen on there. Front bumper's in really nice shape. It does have a couple little scars on it. Chrome's nice. Front grille is in excellent shape. All the trim around the headlights and stuff like that's in excellent shape as well. Our gaps are great from front to back. Back of the hood lines up nice on both sides. Again, go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. You've got to check out the undercarriage of it to truly appreciate the condition of it. Looks like the detail guy's got a little bit of mist and shine here on the fender. It'll come right off. But the wheels are 235 60/15s, beautiful wheels. Got a tiny little paint chip right here. Bottom of the front fender, bottom of the door, rocker, quarter panel is all excellent. And as Brady mentioned, you really got to see it in person just to see the metallic in it. Side trim looks like that has all been replaced. That's beautiful and lines up excellent. Trunk lid is great. Chrome across the trunk lid is really nice as well. It was sold brand new in Loveland, Colorado, and that's exactly where I bought it. So pretty much spent its whole life in Loveland. As far as the quarter panels, you look up and down the sides, body's laser straight. Rear bumper looks like it was probably replaced years ago, but does still have a couple little scratches on it.
And you say, like, yes, this chrome isn't the newest chrome, but I don't know if it's a paint color or what, but it just really pops.
Yeah, it's still in great shape. Quarter panel is awesome. The roof area is excellent. There's no issues with any lead lines or any paint imperfections there. As we open up the door, corner of the door is absolutely mint condition. Door jamb paint is as nice as the rest of the exterior paint. They painted the car all apart. The dash
That's my favorite
gorgeous. Part. Isn't it nice?
Yeah, it really is.
Headliner's super tight. That's all been redone. Seats are beautiful in the original style pattern, and I love the black with it.
And 3-speed on the tree?
Yep.
Is that what it is? Yep.
Good old 3 on the tree. That's how this one came, and that's how they left it. Dash is in great shape. Again, door jamb paint's beautiful. Door panels are excellent. It's an absolute show car, isn't it?
Definitely.
They left the original lead line seam in here, which is great. No cracking there. Back window's good. It's got the 1 speaker in the back. Roof is excellent throughout. As we look up and down the driver's side, there's one tiny, tiny little ding you can see. Probably the end of my pinky, and it's right there. Very, very small. Inside the trunk's great. It's all speckled nicely. Look at this, they even put just a little piece of board under that so it doesn't vibrate on any of the metal. The jack and stuff's all there, spare tire. Again, if you'd rather have, you know, those original style wheels with the hubcaps and like new white walls, that can be, you know, we can sell it that way as well. But I just chose to put these on for a better look myself. Dual exhaust is nice. That comes out the back right by the rear quarter panel like it should. Quarters are awesome, no bubbles, blisters. We've sold some other nice 64 and 5 Malibus, and they were really nice, but this one just tops the cake with condition.
Yeah.
They were nice drivers. This is basically an overly restored one. Corner of the door is perfect. There's your door panel. There's all your gauges look great. Seats are absolutely flawless. Door jamb paint's nice. Dome light works. I did order a new cover for it. This one has just a little burn mark in the cover, so I got a new cover coming. Look how nice the visors are, the headliner, the rear view mirror. Gas gauge works. Horn works. It's got 78,113 miles. I went through a lot of different receipts and stuff, and it looks like they're all, you know, they're all a little prior to that, so I think that's all accurate.
Radio works.
Heater fan works perfect. Your oil and generator light work on the dash. Temp light works. Isn't it sweet?
Yeah.
I mean, some people might say, oh, geez, I don't want to stick, but freaking it's awesome.
Yeah, I like it. I like it better. It makes it unique.
Yeah, it's really cool. And that power steering is really nice, Brady. Look at that.
Mm-hmm. Little theft protection with that 3 on the tree.
Theft protection, I like that. Not many people know how to use it
Exactly.
these days. They'll be like, what the hell?
Yeah.
Look how smooth, huh? Here's your brakes, drum brakes, no power, not necessary. Look at that. Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
Now this is just a little 283 2-barrel. It runs beautiful. The clutch feels great. You can just tell it's a 78,000 mile car just by the way it steers, turns, goes down the road.
Exhaust sounds good too.
It does, doesn't it? Shifts good, speedometer works perfect. Look at all the leg room too.
Yeah.
It just drives itself. Look at that. Here's your brakes, high speed. No hands on the wheel. We're going to downshift up there to second. We're going to bring it in here, synchro down to first. How about how quiet it runs?
This is a classy car for sure.
It's really nice. Really nice car. If you're looking for a show quality little Malibu, you're not going to find one much nicer than this.
I couldn't agree more.
Every single thing works but the clock. We didn't try the wipers yet. Yep, wipers work. Check it out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Give Aaron or Dave a call. We'd love to make it yours.
And we will see you on the next test drive.